Hello, friend. My name is Michelle Onuorah, and I am a speaker coach here at the Speaker Lab. On today's episode of Talk Speaker to Me, I will be digging into the topic of crafting your expert positioning statement, crafting your EPS. Why do speakers need an EPS? First of all, I want you to think of your EPS as kind of the compass of your speaking business. Your EPS is what is going to be your North Star that will help you determine what gigs to take, what opportunities to take advantage of, what type of talks to offer, and also what type of messaging you want to put on your website and all of your branding assets. Your EPS is the mission statement of your speaking business. So it's really, really important that you select an EPS that fits the criteria of who you are as a speaker and what you want to communicate and convey to your audience, and also that identifies who your audience, your core audience is. So let's talk about what makes a really good expert positioning statement. An EPS, a solid EPS, consists of three elements. First is your target audience. Who are you looking to speak to? Now, remember, you want to be specific in your niche. If you are speaking to young adults, what type of young adults? Are you looking at emerging professionals, young professionals? Are you thinking of speaking to college students? Are you thinking of speaking to high schoolers? All of those would technically be considered young adults. So be specific in your target audience. The second criteria for a really strong expert positioning statement is having a very clear and unique solution that you're bringing to the table to your target audience. So rather than talking to people about mindfulness, maybe you have a unique element of mindfulness that you bring to the table as a speaker. Rather than speaking to individuals on resilience and grit, maybe you have a four-step framework that will help people to develop resilience in four easy steps. What is it about your particular solution that makes you stand out amongst the crowd, amongst the sea of other speakers? That's the second element of your expert positioning statement. And then the third and final element of your expert positioning statement that will make it a really, really strong EPS is the transformation. This is the so they can part of your EPS. So your transformation needs to be something that is actionable, that feels tangible to your target audience. And really, it's the thing that gets butts in the seats. It's the element of your message that makes people go, ooh, I want that result. I want you to think of the before and after pictures of those old workout ads, right? Nobody wants to do all of the work that's involved in T25 or Insanity, but they do want the ripped bod that's featured in the after picture. So if you can, in a really powerful and quantifiable way, talk about the transformation that your message, that your talk is going to deliver to your audience, then you are excelling in your messaging through your expert positioning statement. And finally, the advice that I have for speakers crafting their expert positioning statement for the first time to make sure that it's in alignment with their audience: talk to your audience, talk to the types of people who are going to be in your audience, and find out from them, what are their pain points? What are the things that they're struggling with? What are the solutions that they're looking for? What type of transformation do they want to see happen in their lives? It's really good to get some market research in order to develop a really strong expert positioning statement. And then don't be afraid to get feedback from people who are within your market, within your target audience, so that they can tell you whether or not your statement resonates or not. Okay? I hope that this is helpful. Thanks for taking the time to listen, and we'll see you on the flip side. Bye.